14, 1945, the Japanese surrendered unconditionally to the Allies. The news about the defeat was strictly kept secret by the Japanese. Even all radio stations were sealed by Japan, but young group figures Sultan Syahrir, Wikana, Darwish, and Hairul Saleh heard this via BBC radio.
But don't let the proclamation of independence be proclaimed by the PPKI.
Why do you think so, friend?
Because PPKI is a body from by Japan. We don't want any interference from Japan in the proclamation of independence.
Therefore, let's agree to reject all form of gift of independence from Japan because we will from our own independence.
Bung Syahrir is right. The independence is the right and problem of the people that must be proclaimed independence. Let's all ask Insinyur Soekarno and Bung Hatta to service all rights with Japan. Bung Syahrir is right. The independence is the right and problem of the people that must be proclaimed independence. Let's all ask Insinyur Soekarno and Bung Hatta to service all relations with Japan.
Exactly. If so, Mr. Wikana and Hairul, you must go to Sukarno residence to deliver this news. I and the others will order you member to seize power from Japan.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. What did you come this morning? We intend to bring you to join us to the place of sacrifice.
14, 1945, Syahrir, Wikana, and Darwish arrived at Sukarno residence on Pegangsaan Timur Street, number 56, Jakarta, around 9 p.m. Both of them delivered the result of meeting decision. At the meeting come several nationalist figures such as Hatta, Iwa Kusumawati, Samsi, Buntaran, Sudiro, and Ahmad Subarjo.
What do you mean?
You come.
I heard the news of Japan surrendering to the Allies on BBC London Radio in Bandung. So, from that afternoon, we formed the youth group gathering to meet, and the result was all the youth agreed the Bung Sukarno and Bung Hatta immediately formulate Indonesian independence.
We cannot just proclaim independence. We must discuss the PPKI meeting.
We cannot discuss it at the PPKI meeting because PPKI was formed by Japan and Indonesia independence must be from the efforts of the Indonesian people, not the giving of other.
Not so. We really should talk about it at the PPKI meeting because PPKI is a body tasked with preparing for independence.
We have to wait for Japan promise to liberate nations. Who can, man? We must react and proclaim.
Of this will not be able to defeat Japan safely. Try to show me what is the proof of the calculated power. What are your actions to save women and children if they... How do we later maintain independence? Try to imagine how we will stand on. We proclaim independence. The sooner we will end has showing of the people. Hope heaven burning suffer. This is what our nation has been waiting for.
Alright, but give us time to talk for a while. Will then we accuse ourselves? How is this? The youth demanded to immediately proclaim independence.
But we cannot be careless, man. We need time to prepare everything carefully. So, something doesn't happen that doesn't happen.
I agree. In my opinion, the most important thing is to comfort the allies who want to return to power in this country. In addition, the issue of independence should be discussed again in the PPKI on August 18.
Then what about the opinions of the young group? Do we just ignore it?
After all the are young, their thinking is too sharp. We must look ahead, prepare in carefully.
Alright, man. Then we all agreed.
Youth with spokesman Sultan Syahir to persuade Insinyur Soekarno to immediately proclaim independence experienced failure.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. What did you come this morning?
We intend to bring you and Soekarno to join us to the place of seclusion.
Place of seclusion? What do you mean?
Yes, we will take you to be exiled to avoid the influence and threat of clashing between the people and Japan.
Alright, we will come along.
You'd better Mrs. Fatmawati and your crowd take part, men, to join their safety.
Alright, I will invite them.
And Mohatta mysteriously that morning because panic among leaders in Jakarta. This event was only discovered by Mr. Subarjo at 8 p.m.
Do you know where is Soekarno and Bung Hatta?
Sorry, I don't know, man.
Tell me where they are now, and I will guarantee their safety when returning to Jakarta. I will also guarantee that the proclamation of independence will be announced on 17 August 1945, no later than 12 o'clock.
Alright. We will show the in Rengersdingko.
Excuse me.
Please come in, gentlemen.
We will start now. What the purpose about the text of proclamation that we will discuss? To shorten the time, I already have the concept of the text of proclamation.
Right. Would you read it?
Alright, with pleasure.
If the first sentence in the text of the proclamation was taken from the PPUKI formula.
Yes, fine. Then, what formulas will be taken?
The part which is the statement of the Indonesian people to determine their own fate.
Okay, a good idea. Any other suggestion?
What if the second sentence is changed to a transfer of power?
Yes, it is better, and I also agree.
Then on whose behalf is the proclamation?
Because this all thanks to Indonesian servicemen on behalf of the Indonesian people.
Good idea, man.
What do you think?
Yes, we agree.
Then who will sign the text of this proclamation?
What if it's what made like the Declaration of Independence America?
What do you mean by that?
I mean the text was signed by everyone present tonight.
Agree if the text is signed by PPKI member.
Why don't you agree?
The PPKI was formed by Japan Its members were appointed by Japan, even though we get this independence from our own nation effort.
I agree with you.
Then, who will sign the text?
Text of proclamation was cited by Insinyur Soekarno and Dr. Muhammad Hatta as the representative of the Indonesian nation.
Yes, I agree with Soekarno's opinion.
Okay, I'm willing. Then, what about Bung Hatta?
Yes, with pleasure.
Well, if Bung Hatta agrees.
The text is submitted to Sayuti Melik to be typed, and the singing will be done after the text has been typed.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Man, please type this text.
Alright, wait please.
Alhamdulillah, finally everything went smoothly. Thank you for accompanying me at times that are quite draining.
Yes, thank you Gusti Allah for giving our nation a way to proclaim independence. Oh, yes sure. Have you planned how tomorrow's proclamation will take place?
Already, we will carry out a flag ceremony, which will be accompanied by the Indonesia Raya song by Bung Supratman.
Don't we have no flag yet? How is this?
Oh my god, I forget. What if you save the flag?
But you don't have culture. The cloth is only red and white. Is it okay?
Of course. Make a simple flag.
Alright sir, and I have an idea. We just name the flag Sang Saka Merah Putih. What do you think?
A good idea. The heritage flag is Sang Saka and its colors are red and white, becoming Sang Saka Merah Putih. Brilliant.
Proklamasi. Kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Jakarta, 17 Agustus 1945, atas nama bangsa Indonesia, Soekarno Hatta.
Sang Saka Merah Putih flag accompanied by Indonesian Raya song. The audience sang the Indonesian national anthem.